Okay, so our tutorial for today is all about the calculation of different ETAs as per waypoint that we're going to do. So our situation is the vessel will depart from Muruzo to Kamaguchi, Japan. And our vessel departure time is 2000, alas 8 ng gabi, on April 8, 2026 with a speed of 11.8 knots. So on this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we're going to calculate the different ETA as per different waypoints here. Okay? Okay, so this is our departure port, Muruzo. So measure distance. Go.
So, lalagay mo lang siya dito sa waypoint 0 to waypoint 1. Tapos, itatapat mo siya dito sa gilid, sa distance.
So, ang scaling po natin, one line is 1 minute is 1 nautical mile. Okay, so bilang 5, 10,
15. Parang kulang mali.
Ayan. No? So, ganyan yung principle. So, ayan. Okay. This triangle, which is the distance, our time and speed. Okay? So, yung kailangan natin is time. So, we go for time is equal to distance over speed. So, for the first waypoint, we have the 21 nautical miles. So, 21 divided by 11.8 nautical mile per hour. So, yung knots, guys, is nautical mile per hour, meaning yan. No? So, we're going to divide. Okay, yung sagot is 1.78. So, this is 1 hour. Yung 0.78, i-convert natin sa minutes. So, yung sagot is pause. Okay, so yung sagot is 0.78 times 60 because 1 hour is 60 minutes. So, yung sagot dito is 0147 hours. So, ayan, pinadagdag mo siya sa departure time, which is 2000 plus 0147. So, darating tayo sa waypoint 1 by 9 o'clock, which is 2147 hours. Same date pa din, 08 April 2026. Okay? So next, same processes for the different distances. So 85 divided by 11.8 knots. Okay? So pag divide mo siya, yung sagot dito is 7.20. So yung 0.20 times 60 ulit. So the answer will be 12. So 0712. Okay? So ngayon, idadagdag mo siya dun sa 2147. Dito kung dadagdag. Kung kailan ka umalis. So 2147. Ang sagot is 9:59:28. Okay? So one day is equal to 24 hours. So, minus 24 hours, okay, which is, yung matira, 04:59. But we're going to add 1 day. So, yung ETA natin, sa susunod na waypoint, is 09 April 04:59. Okay? Hours. Okay, so waypoint 2, that's the waypoint 2. So now, same process, waypoint 3. Okay, which is 20 divided by 11.8. Yung sagot is 1.7. Okay, so yung 0.70 times 60 ulit, this is 0142. So, dagdag ka na naman doon. Okay? Plus 0459. So, this is 1. Okay, which is 30. May 10 pa din. Okay, 10. So 4, carry 1, 2, 6. Okay, 06, 41. Okay, next is the 09 April. Okay, 2026. 06, 41. Hanggang makarating po tayo, ganun po yung process natin. Okay? Pause mo nga. Okay, next waypoint, 46 divided by 11.8. Yung sagot is 3.90. So yung 0.90 times 60 ulit, ito lang. Okay, yung sagot, 0.354. Ngayon, nagdag ka naman ulit doon, 0.641. Okay, so plus 5, 90, so 3, carry 1, 4, 10. Okay, 10, 35. Same date, ganun din, 09 April, 10:35. Okay? Next po, yung 81 naman. So 81 divided by 11.8. So yung sagot dito is 6.86. Yung 0.86 ulit, ito times natin sa 60. Ito, which is yung sagot 06.52. Okay, yung 0.60 lang ay lang po. No? So, natagdag ko na naman doon. 10.35. So, ang sagot, 16. Sorry, mali. Okay, 7. 8, 2, carry 1, 7, 17. Okay, so 17, 30. Okay, 17, 27. Okay, same date. 09 April 2026. And for the last waypoint, ganun pa din. 13 divided by 11.8. Ang sagot is 1.10 times 60. Yung 0.10, which is 6 minutes. So 01, 06. And we are going to add to 17, 27. So this is 13, carry 1, 3, 8, 18. So we are going to arrive 1833 on the same day, 09 April 2026. Okay? So kaya po yung kuha natin guys, ETA calculation. So always po, sa ano yung last time na nilagyan mo, doon ka magdadagdag. Huwag ka babalik sa required. Okay? So that's all. Thank you.